Hi, good evening. I'm Eric, the father of Echo and Enzo, aspiring magicians, musicians, and now aspiring investors. Tonight, I just opened two new online accounts for stock trading on behalf of Echo and Enzo. You see, they are 10 and 8 years old. And the other night, I was talking to them about growing their money, investing their money, because I think it's time for them to learn. I'm making this video is to share to other parents because I didn't find any video specifically talking about teaching their children how to invest. Just to give you some background, when I was young, until age 25, I grew up believing the stock market is like a casino. Our parents kept telling us not to go into the stock market. The reason being that they saw many people who lost their life savings, and they did not look at the stock market as an investment opportunity. But so what happened? No, we when we were young, we already had the mindset of saving money. We always save our allowance. We save every little bit of money gifts given to us. We even have this. Each of us, had a small cabinet, small drawer with a hole, just like a alcancia, okay, like a coin bank. And every time we get some money, we would put the money in that hole. And then at the end of the year, we'd open that drawer and then excitedly count our money. But then, now looking back, I realized that yes, I was able to save money, but it didn't do anything for me, right? It didn't help me in any significant way. I wasn't taught how to be financially free. And that's what I want to teach my children, financial freedom. Is it possible for them to start at the age of 10 and 8 and build up a portfolio of investments that can give them passive income so that they will be financially free by the time they reach the 21. So, here's the analogy. I told I told Echo the other day. I said, look, what will happen if you put stones, you bury stones in the ground, and then for 10 years you keep burying stones, and then after 10 years you dig it up. What would you get? The same number of stones. It never grew. But what if you put seeds? You put seeds in the ground, and then you keep nurturing it, keep planting more seeds. What would happen in 10 years? And I pointed to him a tree outside our house, which I planted 5 years ago. And now it's taller than our house. I said, look, this could be similar to you. If you have, at the age of 10, if you're able to start investing, growing your money, and you have the luxury of time, by the time you're 21, you may be financially free. At least partly, right? Maybe you have to work for income, but then your income is supplemented by dividends or your earnings of your investments. So, I also told them about the book of Bo Sanchez, right? Mayaya invest in the stock market. I told them the story, and I got them all excited. So they asked me to open an account for them. So just about an hour ago, okay, Echo and I went through the top 20 blue chip stocks, and he chose three companies, Metrobank, Aboitiz Power, and SM Food and Beverage. And I told him about the power of dividends. You invest, not only will can your stock holdings appreciate in value, but also you will earn dividends. No, so I also taught him about averaging down and averaging up. You know, guys, I'm not a stock market guru. I lost a lot of money in stocks, basically buying at the wrong time always, and buying on rumors, no? So I taught my son not to do that. Everything I learned, I want to teach them and hope that they will not commit the mistakes I made. So I'm doing this video blog as a testament and as a documentary to share with you all our journey of investing. I also told them about REITs, REITs. But in the beginning, I think it's good for them to choose 3 blue chip stocks. And then I also told them, I will also show them the power of reinvesting, right? So basically, building up your portfolio by saving money from gifts and their allowance and their bonuses. You know, I give them bonuses for doing their homework or reading books to incentivize them. And I teach them, don't spend it all on time zone or waste them. You know, save a portion. And then now they are very excited though. So that's why I'm also excited to start this video log for you all and for them. So yan, stay tuned for the next update where hopefully our account will be opened. I am going to start them off with 20,000 each. Okay? And let's see how they perform. 20,000 each came from their own savings. Okay, and then we will supplement it as time goes by, and we will also do analysis together. Hopefully we'll record them together for you all. So abangan. Thank you. Good night.